guys, in front of me is Sony Xperia 10.4 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on more icon and select history. Here you will notice clear browsing data at the top of the list, so just mark it. And now go through basic and advanced options, then mark those that you would like to remove. Actually, I would like to perform a full cleanup, so I would just leave it all marked, and then select the time range right here. And you can pick 1 hour, 1 day, past 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose all time, and then just tap on clear data. Confirm that you want to perform this action, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.